Hi there, everybody. Welcome to this video. My name's MarybethAngiolelli, and today I have something really special and really exciting to share with you. This is a really easy little side hustle that literally anybody who is seeking extra income, needs more cash flow in your life, in your household, you are in the right place at the right time. Lo and behold, we are about to enter into the busiest time of year in this home-based business industry. So this could not be coming to you at a better, more opportune time. And best of all, anybody can do this. Anybody from any walk of life. You can be a college student, you can be a stay-at-home mom, you can be somebody who's unemployed, who needs extra income, somebody who's between jobs. Perhaps you have a job and you need to supplement your income. Whatever it might be, you need to be at home for whatever reason and you need extra income, folks. Congratulations. I have something that I want to share with you today. All you need is Cash App, okay? You can even use PayPal, but I, of course, recommend Cash App over PayPal. All right, so if you would be interested in earning extra cash flow and you want to earn $39 Cash App payments over and over again without speaking to anyone, all you have to do is simply enter your best email address. I'm going to put my link below, instantpaysolution.com. Instantpaysolution.com. This is an instant pay program, folks. It can be your solution to extra income, okay? When you enter your email, you're going to be redirected to sales page number 1, and then you'll be able to click a link at the bottom and be redirected to sales page 2 where you can review all of this information. It's really easy, okay? Again, all you need is a Cash App that is free and $39. That will get you starting to earn extra income to the tune of $39 over and over again, paid directly to you via your Cash App, okay? So let's head into the site. I am going to copy and paste this into the browser because I want to show you where you are going to be redirected, okay? So here we go, folks. This is called Cash Alive 39. It's a really simple system. It works. You can check it out. You can be in a position to start earning these wonderful, exciting, fun $39 Cash App payments, just like I'm receiving and so many other people are receiving. Okay, here's lots of proof, lots of documentation. I know people always like to know and see, does this work? Of course it works, folks. Who doesn't need extra income? There's an information product behind this, and I am going to give you lots of extra special bonuses to help you to get yourself on the fast track to success with Cash Alive 39, okay? But here's the proof, and here is the documentation right here. Okay, so if you want to earn $39 instant Cash App payments over and over again with no website, there's no website created. I just happen to be a list building marketer, so of course I use websites, but they're totally optional. No website required, okay? You just need Cash App. You can have PayPal, but I would recommend Cash App over PayPal, and of course you need a Gmail email account, okay? And all you're going to be doing is responding to emails and copying and pasting information and pushing the send button. Of course, if you want to create a simple website, totally optional, not required, okay? It says here, no website. Using my top secret buyer safe lists and my solo ad resources. I'm even going to give you my bonus solo ad resources, okay? You can share this any place that you want. You can even post on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist. You can do these simple little YouTube videos. Folks, whatever you want to do, have fun and get creative, but you don't have to do videos. You don't have to use Craigslist. You don't have to use Instagram. You don't have to use Facebook. But those are all available options if you want to use them. And of course, the more you put this out there in front of more eyeballs, folks, the more instant $39 payments you are going to position yourself to receive. It just is common sense, folks, okay? In my opinion, everybody has $39. Trust me, okay? So I believe this is a complete no excuse zone, no excuse opportunity, okay? So there shouldn't be any limitations or restrictions because anybody can do this. If you can copy and paste and hit the send button, folks, respond to an email, you can absolutely do this, all right? And Cash App is a free app. You just download it, connect it to your bank account, and you are in business. So you go here and you click here for details, and then this is going to explain to you everything. Folks, don't overcomplicate this. Don't reinvent the wheel. This is super simple, okay? You want to earn extra income, $39 Cash App payments like I'm receiving. So many other people from all across the USA are receiving. Folks, use my top secret safe lists, which you will receive a step-by-step info blueprint with the simple instructions, the safe lists, all the ad resources, my bonus emails, my bonus resources, and solo ad buyers traffic resources, and my email ad copy to get your instant $39 Cash App payments over and over again. Folks, you can get started today and you can be in profit tomorrow, okay? Trust me, this is simple. I can't come in here though and I can't make any income guarantees or claims because I don't know what you're going to do with this, folks, but I can tell you this with complete confidence. This absolutely works if you take action, show up, and just follow the simple instructions, okay? Everybody has $39. Everybody can copy, paste, post, and hit the send button. And you'll be able to earn $39 Cash App payments over and over again to your Cash App account by sending emails. Can you send an email? Of course you can send an email. We all can send emails, folks. This is super simple. It's stupid simple. It really, truly is. You're going to receive my top secret safe list and solo ad buyers traffic resources that's helped to take in a little over $4,000 in less than 30 days using this cheap, safe list and solo ad buyers traffic. You can even do this for free, folks. You don't have to use safe list. You don't have to use solo ad traffic. Perhaps you have your own methods and your own resources. This is completely flexible. You can take this, shape it, mold it any way you like. Get the word out there, folks. Word of mouth works great too, okay? Use this cheap, safe list and solo ad buyers traffic to earn thousands by sending emails from home. See my Cash App proof, folks. Here is the proof right here in the pudding right for you. Like they say, documentation beats conversation, okay? If you put in the time, you put in the effort, you show up every day, you come in here, you follow the system, you send your emails out, folks, no reason why you can't be earning $39 over and over and over again every single day, folks. It's simple, it's affordable, anybody can do it. You can do it, okay? Here's what you're going to get. One time $39, folks, no monthly fees. Like I stated earlier, no website required. That is totally optional. I have one because I've been at this a long time, folks. I've been building lists for a number of years. I just happen to be a list building marketer. And if you are too, folks, that is great. You can make even more money with this, okay? But don't think you need a list. Don't think you have to have a list, folks. You absolutely do not. Keep it simple. Don't worry. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just have fun and make money, okay? So here's what you're going to get. 39 bucks one time, folks. Zero excuses. Everybody has $39. Trust me, okay? No monthly fees. my top secret safe list and solo ad buyers traffic resources to get unlimited $39 instant cash payments. My email ad copy that makes me $39 over and over again, you can simply copy and duplicate, all right? My fail-proof Cash Alive $39 fast start instructions. I'll be emailing this to you once I receive your $39 Cash App payment. You're going to get the complete instructions sent to your email. You're going to get complete resale rights to the Cash Alive $39 system. This even comes with a 90-day money-back risk-free guarantee, folks. This system has a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you haven't made any money after 90 days by following my Cash Alive $39 fast start instructions using our cheap safe list buyer traffic resources, I will refund your $39 investment. That's how confident I am, folks, that you will make money, and you can use any resources of your liking. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, wherever you want to take this and share it. You can do this online, offline, word of mouth, folks, but it comes with all the instructions, the best safe list and the best solo ad resources and all my bonuses, all my extra special lead and traffic resources and special email swipe copy, okay? You're going to have everything. Here is all you need to do with Cash Alive 39, folks. Okay, number one, a Cash App account. You create a free Cash App account right here, folks. This is free, okay? You just need a Gmail account to reply to the leads. I usually respond on average to 50 to 100 leads a day, and I make anywhere from $100 to $300 a day, sometimes more. It just depends, folks. What you put into something is what you can fully expect and anticipate to get out of this. I can't make any income guarantees because I don't know what you're going to do with this. Showing up every day, having a good work ethic, being motivated, following a simple system, sending emails, copying and pasting, sending emails, hitting a send button, folks, on your computer, laptop, desktop, smartphone, wherever you want to work this, folks, will get you some nice results, okay? Because it's super easy. Anybody can do this, and everybody has $39, okay? You can get started today for only $39. One time, no monthly fees via Cash App right now. Here's my Cash App ID right here, okay? And I'll even put it in the description of this video with my link to my website, okay? Again, no worries, you do not need a website. That's just something I chose to create, a simple little website, okay? After you've made your payment to me, email me your $39 Cash App or PayPal proof. I don't use PayPal, folks, but this is something you absolutely can if you desire, if you don't have Cash App. But I have Cash App, so just let me know. And I also have some other payment options as well. I do have Zelle if you need that. I do have Venmo if you need that. But, you know, Cash App is the preferred way to go, okay? And then I will send you your complete Cash Alive to your email, okay? You have any questions? Here's my contact information should you need it, but folks, just follow the system. Cash App me $39. I'll send you the blueprint, your instructions, and your resale rights and everything you need to start making money as early as today or tomorrow, folks. If you are an action taker, massive action is going to yield massive results. So once again, I'm coming to you at a great time of the year, folks. We are getting ready to go into the busy season in the home-based business opportunity. I just wanted to be able to deliver and share with you something super simple, something super affordable, and something that anybody can do. Cash Alive 39 is here to help you to start generating extra income. Kiddos are going back to school. Everybody needs extra income, folks, with those back to school expenditures, and not to mention, folks, the holidays are going to be coming up. And that's why this is the busy time, because everybody starts to think holidays. Hey, Christmas in July, folks, why not? that. And we are going to be going into a great time of year. This is something anybody can do. And in my opinion, everybody has $39 and everybody needs extra cash flow. So why not plug into a simple system, get started today. I'll send you your training. I'll send you the information, my ad copy. Let's get you started. If you have any questions, text or call me. Again, I don't have PayPal. If you want to use PayPal, that's completely, totally up to you. If you don't have Cash App, you want to do this, folks, I can accept Zelle or Venmo, and I also have Google Pay. So just text me. We'll make other arrangements to get you going. And thank you so much. Congratulations on getting started with Cash Alive 39. I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now. Thank you.